Hey, what's going on, my friend? Justin Temple here with a quick video on ProveSource review. So, a lot of people have been noticing, or a lot of companies, marketers have been noticing and using these social media notifications or these social signal pop-ups on a website. Like, for example, when you visit someone's website, it'll say, X amount of people subscribed to the newsletter, or X amount of people just bought the product, or so-and-so just took the next step. And so you'll see these little notifications on these people's websites. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that and the #1 recommended tool to do it that I found. I looked up all of them. I looked at the prices. I looked at the price to remove the branding. That's really the #1 thing that I was looking for, and that you're probably looking for, is how to remove the branding from that little social signal for as cheap as possible, right? We don't want to spend $80 for, to not promote someone's website. That's ridiculous. So ProveSource has been the one that I found for $30 a month, that you can actually create your little pop-up notification for free and then put it on your website, and then from there you can upgrade and decide how you want to do stuff. So I installed this and it was working, and you have like 10,000 impressions or something with it for free. So you can actually use ProveSource, configure it, get it on your website, have it working for free. Okay? It will have the watermark. So once I actually figured out how to get it on my website and it was showing up, then I upgraded. I was like, okay, cool, it's working. Now I want to get rid of the watermark. And so I upgraded to the $30 per month, starter plan or something. So now let me explain to you the experience that I had with this. At first, I created it and then put it on my website, and it didn't work, and I was like, what's going on? And so I asked support, and just like 2 days later, I visited my website and it was working. So I don't know if it just needed some time or whatever, but it was very easy to install. So after you create this, I'll show you more about it too. I'll go into it. But after you create it, you click install code up here. I clicked JavaScript, and then you just click copy code. And then you can go back to your website builder, right? Let's say I wanted to display this pop-up on this website right here. What I would do is I would go to custom code, go to head markup right here, click paste, and click save. Okay, now I don't want it to be on this one, so we'll discard that. But anyways, yeah, that's how easy it is to install the ProveSource widget. And I tried installing a few other ones for free, and it didn't work. I'm sure they work, but I wasn't able to get it to work, and I'm pretty tech savvy. And normally when I reach out to people for help, they only have to do 1 or 2 things, or they just point out something that I messed up on. So I had some difficulty trying to figure out the other ones. And there's quite a few out there. There's like 8, 9, 10 out there. There's quite a bit, okay? And so this is the one that I have found to work for the best price. Okay, only $30 a month. One of them was like $80 a month to remove branding. I was like, geez, that's just that's paid traffic right there. Like, Jesus Christ. So let me show you how to make these. Okay, so the first one I made was this one. The second one I made was this one, and I actually like this one better because it continuously shows the notification. This one only shows it once, and then it doesn't show anymore. So I like this one that I set up better. So I'm going to show this one because it's going to be more in line with what you actually want. So when you click on it, you click form submission right here, and then you click on, or you just keep following it, just go next. Right here, we can see where to display the notification. I put in these 2 links right here, so I want to show the pop-up on, let me show you real quick. All right, so it'll come up on the top left up here. Okay, so let it load a second. And then right about now, we should have this little pop-up. Okay, here we go. So, Geoff just ordered the No BS Traffic Rolodex and claimed their 100% free bonuses 39 minutes ago. Okay, so a lot of times you'll see it on the bottom of the website, but I put it at the top because I have a chat widget at the bottom. So the top left is the notification, the bottom left is the chat, and then the bottom right, if we scroll down, will be back up to the top. So it's a really, really seamless website, really user-friendly. I try to make it as customer-centric as possible. And so I try not to, like on the phone, if you go on your phone, this will be at the bottom, and then this will be at the top. So that way nothing conflicts with each other. Everything is displayed properly, and no one is confused. So I'd make sure that my stuff is good. And that's one of the reasons why I like ProveSource, because it's allowing me to make sure that my optimization and my design is as good as I need it to be for actual conversions. So then when you opt into this page, the next page will also have the same exact notifications. Okay, so very, very simple. What was I doing? Let me go back to here. Okay, so here, exclude from pages. I didn't really have to do that. But I guess that would be if like you're putting the code on the whole funnel and then you want to exclude it from some pages. But we can go here, we can select language, right to left, so we can put it like that or like that. Show map icon, really, really cool. Show location of the flag, so that's pretty cool. And then you can put your text in right here. And then on the other one, you can put an image. So remember that other one that I said that only displays once? You can put your own GIF in there. So let me show you how to do that. You go to Google, notification GIF. Here's a little secret on how to improve the conversions on this. So just go to like a notification GIF or something like that, and then we can do just go here. And then, whoops, I didn't want to click on it. So then you right click it, and then you copy image address. Okay, copy image address, and then you can put that in here. Okay, this one does not allow me to on the map on this, this version. But the other one, you're allowed to put your image in, and that's what you do to make it easy. That way you don't have to upload stuff to different websites and get a link. Just go to Google, copy that. If you do this, it will not work. If you do this, it will work. Okay, I figured that out. So make sure to click on that exact one that I said, copy image address, and it will work. So that way you can have that little GIF in here. And then right here, a fellow marketer. I thought I already set that up. But then, so now if it can't recognize the person's name, it'll say a fellow marketer just ordered the No BS Traffic Rolodex and claimed their 100% free bonuses. So that's what I do want that. I thought I set that up. I set it up on the other one and thought I set it up on this one. So a fellow marketer, boom, right there. Next, then we have where you want it positioned, mobile position up top. I recommend bottom for most funnels. However, I do have a chat widget on mine, so now I have to put it up top. You can change the color. Allows users to close it, so now this puts a little X on there, and then you can make it even clickable. Okay, so you can have it just go back to the same page, or you can have it go to a testimonial page or just something. And then the time for this, hide the exact time passed if greater than 24 hours. So I don't want, so that means I don't want this to say 3 days, 4 days, 8 days, 10 days. Okay, I want it to be very recent within the last 24 hours. Ignore events that are older than. So the reason I don't want this filled in is because I want it to use all the data that it's collecting to pop up the notifications. And then we have more settings right here, self-explanatory. I do like this one. I do like this one. Although if you leave this off, the person will be able to see their own conversion, which means that it will kind of reinforce the fact that other people are doing this, right? So if they see that their own action is going through, popping up on the notifications, then it reinforces that it is kind of more real. However, I just am turning it off, or turning that off, so that, I don't know, I think I should probably just leave it like that. But I'm just gonna do this, okay? Because I just don't want people to get into themselves and be like, oh, it's just more distracting in a way, but it also reinforces that, I don't know, it doesn't really matter. So show only once per session, off, and then you can display it for a certain amount of time, etc., etc., okay? And you can hide location, anonymous conversions, or hide anonymous ones. So we can go next, and then we can go ahead and name it, save changes. Alright, and then again, we go up to here, install code, and do the steps that I showed you at the beginning. Just go ahead and add it to your website. Very simple, very easy to use. So this is my ProveSource review. It's very, very simple, very easy to use. It's only $30 a month, and you can set it up for free, make sure it is working, and then buy traffic, and then also upgrade at the same time so that you're not losing traffic to the watermark. But see right here how this has the GIF. We can go right here and see this one has different options. It's page visits, conversions, and live visitors. So there's a few different things that you can do in here. But if we go to display, you can see that right here I have that image GIF, okay? So I just copied the link address and put it in here. Very simple, very easy. Actually, let me go ahead and do it for you. Look at this. Copy image address, ProveSource, message, boom. And look, it changed it right there. Alright, see how it changed? However, I don't want that one. It's kind of stretched out, so I'm going to go ahead and leave it there. So that's how easy it is. Very simple. Just showing you all my settings and nothing too complicated. Also, there is an affiliate program for ProveSource. Okay, so if you wanted to resell this and actually be able to use this for free, then I think you only need about 4 people. I thought it was 30% commissions, but it should be somewhere in here. Okay, really quick before I end the video, I wanted to go to settings, and when I click on settings, it's going to show my API key, so I'm going to pause it real quick, but let me click on it and show you real quick. Alright, so when you click on settings, it will show up your account info, and then I don't want my API key to be shown, so I just clicked on branding real quick. So this is where you actually are able to edit the branding and remove ProveSource branding and add your own branding. Okay, so you can add your own text and your own link if you wanted to. I don't really care to do that because I want people to focus on the funnel and the website, and this is just a reinforced social proof. To earn commissions, right here we have refer and earn. You earn 20% monthly commissions, so it would take 5 people on ProveSource to earn ProveSource for free. Okay, so if you want to grab ProveSource, go ahead and check out the link below. I'll have an affiliate link for that. And thank you so much for watching. I only use tools that are actually beneficial to me and that actually help me, and I have done a lot of research to find this one so that I'm not spending a lot of money for nothing, and I can actually remove the branding and actually help people. So thanks for watching this video. I don't tell anyone about any tools I don't use, so if you're watching this video, this will definitely help you with your business. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications for future videos. Thank you so much.